Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening and welcome back. Okay. So the next topic will be poles of magnet. I hope you understood the previous activity. It's very easy, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Not like the electricity and circuits.
Yes,
Here,
ma'am.
just dragging, rubbing, all those activities are there. Quite easy. You just have to understand that concept. That's all. Okay. So next is poles of magnet. What do you mean by poles of magnet?
Ma'am, the two poles of magnets.
Two poles.
The two terminals of the magnet.
Two terminals. Terminals were in the previous.
The two the ends of
Two ends of the magnet are called
poles.
poles of the magnet. Then, if a magnet is circular shaped, how many ends does it have?
Infinity.
Has infinity.
Infinity.
Yeah.
Find out and come for next class. That's the homework.
It doesn't have an.
If a
Ma'am,
magnet
it
is,
doesn't have an.
find out and come. Now you're telling an answer for which you're not sure about, isn't it? Yes, Ashish.
Yes, ma'am. I think it doesn't have
Yeah,
an.
you
Ma'am,
think
what should we find out?
you should find out if a magnet is in a circular shape, then where is its poles or how many poles does it have? Okay. Now don't Google and find it out. I don't want an answer now. Fine. Find it out and come for the next class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Then, and please remind me to ask you this question. I might forget. Now, poles of magnet. So you told me the ends of the magnet are called poles. And how many poles does bar magnet have?
Two.
Poles.
Two poles because it has two main ends, isn't it?
Yes.
Agree to that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So in the previous activity, we rubbed the magnet in the soil and the iron filings were attached to the poles or some other part. Which was it?
And what did you ask?
In the previous activity, we rubbed the magnet in the soil, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes.
the iron filings were attached to the poles or some other part of the magnet. Which was it?
Ma'am, poles.
Poles. It was attached to the or attracted towards the poles of the magnet, isn't it? Savio, your answer is also correct. Okay, so they were found on the poles of the magnet. Just draw and show me how the iron filings would be attached to the magnet. Just draw a quick figure.
Then one more time. What should we draw?
What happened to everyone? Some relays going off somewhere. Did you have so many classes today?
No, ma'am, just two.
No, ma'am. Only two. Class.
Then what happened? Very lazy. You all look very lazy, drowsy.
Sleepy, ma'am.
Feeling sleepy. Yes, that's what I told. Drowsy. After this, go and sleep. Did you have your tea?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That is the problem. I went and had my tea when I was feeling sleepy, so I went and had my tea. Now I'm all right. Okay. So you have to draw a bar magnet and you have to mark or draw just sketch the iron filings attached to the poles. Just draw a rough figure. You don't need to beautify it.
Ma'am, bar magnet.
Bar magnet. He's going to take bar magnet, I think. Oh my god. Others, please draw. how would the bar magnet with the iron filings look like? Yes, Geetika. Okay, yes, fine. Others? Saneka, please show that a bit closer. Can't see. Okay, fine. Amita finished? No, still drawing. Sia and Fatima, okay.
Still no.
Nihal, you have to draw a bar magnet with iron filings attached to the two poles of the magnet or the two ends of the magnet. Sia and Fatima, I saw. The rest? Ashish?
Yes, ma'am. Wait a second.
Opening your eyes and sleeping. Sia and Fatima, I saw your drawing. Rest of the people, please show me. Shravana, okay, yes. Harriet, yes. Savio, oh my god, complicated. Okay, then Altina, okay. Risa, yes. You colored that also. Ashish, okay.
Ma'am, with
Huh?
I had highlight.
Highlighter, okay. Rest of you, Aaron, did you finish? Or too lazy
I
to
don't
draw?
have my rough book.
Okay. Ismail. Abhyuday is showing me something. Are you showing me that you have the textbook with you? Because I don't have the textbook to show. I just have a PDF. That's why. Okay, that's it. I will read that portion. Poles of magnet. So, you already know that the iron filings will get attached to the two ends of the magnet. And what are the two ends of the magnet known as?
South poles.
South Pole and North Pole.
South pole and north pole, but together they are known as
Poles.
of a
Poles
magnet.
of the magnet.
Okay,
Poles.
P-O-E-S. Poles of a magnet. Yes, Savio, I saw. Good. Okay, so these two ends are the parts of a magnet which has this attracting property. Will all these iron filings go and sit in the center of the magnet?
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
They'll only get attached to the ends of the bar magnet, isn't it?
Yes,
That
ma'am.
is why they are known as the poles of the magnet, and they only have the attracting property of a magnet. Suppose if we break a magnet into two, then that magnet's two sides that will have the magnetic property. I'll draw and show you. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Suppose this is the magnet. This is a bar magnet that we are taking. Then we are breaking this into two. Then it becomes a piece like this along with the another piece like this. Okay, so if this end and this end of the magnet, this whole bar magnet is having the attracting property, then these two are the poles of this magnet, isn't it?
yes, ma'am.
Am I right?
Yes.
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 Now, when it is broken into two, then this end and this end of this magnet will be the poles of that magnet, and this end as well as this end will be the poles of this particular magnet. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you agree to this, Ravana? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. So basically, in a bar magnet, the two sides or the two ends play the role of attracting the iron particles and the magnetic materials, and they are known as the poles. Very simple, no? If I repeat once more, it will get too very boring. Fine. Just read. Amita, can you read? Do you have the book with you? Yes. Okay. Start then. Poles of magnet.
We observe that iron fillings, if they are present,
Hmm.
stick to a magnet rubbed in the soil. Did you observe anything special about the way they stick to the magnet? Activity 4.
Four. Start.
Spread some spread some iron fillings on the sheet of paper. Now place a bar magnet on the sheet. What do you observe? Do the iron fillings stick all over the magnet? Do you observe the more iron fillings get attached to some parts of the magnet than other
Hmm.
re- than other?
Remove.
Remove the iron
Hmm.
filling sticking to the magnet and repeat
The
the
activity.
activity.
Hmm.
Do you observe any change in the pattern with which the iron fillings get attached by different
Attracted.
parts of the
Attracted by.
attracted by different
Hmm.
parts of the magnet? You can do this activity using pins or iron nails in place of iron fillings, and also with magnets of different
Shapes.
shapes.
Draw a diagram. Amita is stuck. Ayan, can you read? Ayan, can you read? Yes, Amita, that's enough. Ayan, read. Continue. Draw a diagram.
Draw a diagram to show
Amita,
the way
it's enough.
iron
Enough.
filling.
Okay, thank you. Ayan can read now. Draw a diagram. Start, Ayan. Draw a diagram. Unmute, please.
Ma'am, which paragraph?
Second last paragraph. Draw a diagram from there. You can't find it?
No, ma'am.
Just below that picture, dear. Figure 13.7.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Draw a diagram to show the way iron fillings stick to the magnet.
Yes, that is what you drew now. Okay, then.
Is your drawing similar to that shown in figure 13.6a?
Hmm.
We find that the iron fillings are attracted more towards the region close to the two ends of a bar magnet.
Hmm.
Poles of a magnet are said to be near these ends.
Underline that sentence. Poles of a magnet, that sentence. Underline that. Continue.
We try and bring a few magnets of different shapes to the classroom. Check for the location of the poles on these magnets using iron fillings. Can you know mark Can you now mark the location of poles in the kind of magnets shown in figure 13.4?
Yes, location of magnets in the figure 13.4. Take figure 13.4 first. Types of artificial magnets: bar magnet, cylindrical magnet, horseshoe magnet, and ball-ended magnet. Where are the ends? Can you see that ash color part, the gray color part?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, they are the poles of those magnets. Okay, on bar magnet, we'll have it on both the ends. On ball ended, the two balls, those side. Then cylindrical on top and the bottom part. And on the horseshoe magnet, the end of the U shape. The two ends of the U shape that forms the pole or the poles. Okay, clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, next portion is, just read the heading, Ayan.
Finding directions.
Finding directions that we'll deal with in the next class. Okay. Now, since there's only few minutes left, we'll move to page number 131. Take page number 131 first. Make your own magnet. It is a very easy topic. Savio, can you read?
Yes, ma'am.
Start.
There are several methods of making magnets. Let us learn the simplest one.
Mm.
Take a rectangular piece of iron, place it on the table. Now take a bar magnet and place one of its poles near one edge of the bar of iron. Without lifting the bar magnet, move it along the length of the iron bar till you reach the other end. Now lift the magnet and bring the same pole you started with, to the same point of the iron bar from which you began. Move the magnet again along the iron bar in the same direction as you did before. Repeat this process about 30 to 40 times. Bring a pin or some iron fillings near the iron bar to check whether it has become a magnet. If not, continue the process for some more time. Remember that the pole of the magnet and the direction of its movement should not change.
Underline
can
that.
also
Remember that pole of the magnet and the direction of its movement should not change. Underline that and keep. Okay. Then.
Remember that the pole of the magnet and the direction of its movement should not change. You can also use an iron nail, a needle, or a blade and convert them into a magnet.
Okay.
You now know how to make a magnet. Would you like to make your own compass?
Okay, wait. So, did you understand how to make your own magnet?
Yes, sir.
Yes. You have to keep a bar magnet or any kind of magnet in your hand. Then take a piece of iron, a rectangular piece of iron, keep it on a table. Now, take your magnet, okay, and bring it to one end of this iron piece. Now what you have to do is you have to rub it or drag it along the surface of this iron piece. Can you see my hand?
Yes, ma'am.
If this is the iron piece and this is the magnet, then I have to do like this. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Then I have to come again to the starting position. Do again like this. Again come to the starting position. Do again like this. Again come back to the starting position. Rub like this. Make sure that this magnet touches the iron piece. It should not be like this. Okay. You should completely drag it along the surface of the iron piece. See, it should be done like this. Then it goes back to the first position. Again, draw or rub on the iron piece with the magnet. Come back to the same position. Again, draw or rub on the iron piece. Come back to the same position. Repeat that 30 to 40 times. After that, what should you do? You have to check whether this iron piece, this particular iron piece, this was an iron piece, this became a magnet or not. We are doing the activity to convert the iron piece into the magnet, isn't it? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So how do you check if that has become a magnet or not? You take some iron filings, small iron particles, and then keep it close to this particular iron piece. If this attracts that iron particles, then that means yes, that means this has become a magnet. If not, we have to repeat the same procedure again. And what is the point that you underline? Remember that the pole of the magnet and the direction of the moment should not change. Okay? So if you are doing it like this, then make sure you repeat it in the same direction. Come to the starting point, rub it. Again, come to the starting point, rub it. Understood? You can't just rub it back. If you're doing it like this, then come to the starting point, rub it again. You can't do it like this. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So that is how you turn an iron piece or an iron material into a magnet. You can turn an iron needle also into a magnet in the same way. Got that? Fine. Now one more small activity is there. We'll finish that and wind up. Okay. Who will read? Anna.
Magnetize an iron needle using a bar magnet.
How would you magnetize an iron needle with a bar magnet? You will rub it in the same way I showed you. Okay. Then.
Now insert the magnetized needle through a small piece of cork or
Cork. Not crock, it's cork.
cork or foil.
Then.
Let the cork float in water in a bowl or a tub. Make sure that the needle does not touch the water. Your compass is now ready to work. Make a note of the direction in which the needle points when the cork is floating. Rotate the cork with the needle fit in it in different directions. Note the direction in which the needle points when the cork begins to float again without rotating.
Okay.
Does the needle always point in the same direction when the cork stops rotating?
Okay, what you should do is you have to take a bowl or a cup or a mug or something like that. You have to fill it with water, and then what you should do, you have to take a cork. Have you seen a cork before? Wine bottles and all have cork on top.
Yes, ma'am.
Keeps the wine airtight. Yes? You have to take that. Then you have to take your magnetized needle. You have to insert the needle through the cork like this. Okay. Just as shown in the drawing that I just drew, you have to insert the cork. Then what you have to do, you have to put this needle with the cork inside this water. But the needle should not touch the water. Okay. It should float. The cork should float in the water. Then when you leave it, you can see that the needle is showing some direction. The two sides are there, no, for the needle. That will point to a certain direction. Now take it away, take the cork and then put it inside the water once more. Then check if the direction is the same or not. It will point to the same direction, and that will be the north-south direction. That is, one side will be north and the other side will be south. That is the north-south direction. Understood? That is how you make a small miniature form of a compass. Okay, more about compass we learn in the coming section, that is finding directions. Did you understand this activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No. Both the activities are clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Let's take
ma'am.
attendance and leave.
Okay, ma'am.
Who's crying there? Okay. Aaron,
Present, ma'am.
Abhinav,
Present, ma'am.
Abhyuday,
Present, ma'am.
then Altina,
Present, ma'am.
Ameya. Ameya is absent. Okay. Amita, present. Ananya, no. Ananda Krishnan, no.
Present, ma'am.
Ananya. Ananda Krishnan is present. No.
No, ma'am.
Yes, Anna is present. Anthony is present. Arjun absent. Ashish present. Atul is absent, no? Then Ayan present. Ayush was here. No. Devaganga.
Yes, ma'am.
Devaganga is
She
present.
is.
Yes. Then Devika absent. Namasya present. Emil was here, no? There is Emil.
Yes, ma'am. He was wrong,
He's
but
gone.
I think he.
Yes, Francis. Yes, Geetika, Harriet, Haya absent, Ismail, Kanishk absent, Malavika is present.
Yes,
Malavika,
ma'am. She is present.
Nihal, no.
And he left the meeting.
Sanaika, Savio, Sian
Present.
Fatima, Smriti,
Oh.
present. Then Shravana, Sri Rudra is absent, Vinayak also absent. Then Risa. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
you,
Bye.
ma'am.
Take care. Bye.